Hello everyone. Check out this amazing best Makita DGA504 18V that I just found. Everyone is buzzing about this product right now. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. To start with, the construction, it is remarkably high-end. It features professional-grade components that feel heavy-duty. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. Beyond the looks, the power is what's most impressive. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: this offer won't last. See the deal in the bio, and secure yours at the best possible price today.